Now, your local weather authority with Chief Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
Hey, welcome back, everybody. I want to introduce you to the latest member of our weather team here at WTWO. This is Savannah Burrito, and she's going to be taking over the morning and the noon duties coming up next week. And we want to find out a little bit about you. So tell us a little bit about where you're from, where you went to school.
I'm from Sycamore, Illinois, so it's about an hour 15 directly west of Chicago and then 50 minutes south of Rockford. So I grew up there pretty much my whole life. And then I went to Sycamore High School. I graduated in 2016. And then I went to Valparaiso University. I spent 3.5 years there, and then I graduated in December of 2019.
And you took a lot of meteorology classes. What got you interested in weather years ago?
So the first time I realized I wanted to be a meteorologist was when I was about 6 years old. I saw my first funnel cloud. At the time I was living in South Elgin, Illinois. So I looked up, and that's just kind of when I wanted to figure out what was like the science and the atmosphere behind weather. I always watched Jim Cantori growing up. So I was like, this is what I want to do. And ever since that moment, I knew I wanted to be a meteorologist.
And you're going to get your star right here. We're going to be talking about weather, and you've got a lot of things coming up that we're going to talk about. As a matter of fact, later, she'll be doing the late show tonight, by the way. I'm not going to be doing the weather. She's going to take care of that 11 o'clock tonight. She'll be doing the weathercast. And before we wrap up and get into weather, real quick, maybe some hobbies that you have. I mean, what do you do with your free time?
I like working out. I was a gym manager at the Valparaiso University Fitness Center, and then I also did a training class there. So I do like working out. In my free time, I also like spending time with my family and friends.
What kind of weather are you looking most forward to forecasting?
Severe weather, definitely. And obviously, I'm from northern Illinois, so we got a lot of snow. Last year was kind of mild, but I'm definitely looking forward to forecasting severe weather and the warmer temperatures, a little bit warmer.
Right, yeah. Winters here are not as bad as they are in northern Illinois, so that's good news.
Right.
Yeah. Hey, welcome. We're thrilled to have you here and looking forward to having you as a member of our team. So,
Me too. Thank you.
Fantastic. Yeah, give her a warm welcome. That's Savannah there. Hey, weather-wise across the area today, look at the cloud cover across the area right now. We saw some sunshine early, then more clouds moved in as the course of the day went on, and it looks like those clouds are going to be diminishing as the evening wears on, and we start to see some better weather moving in. So we do see some cloud cover out there right now, and it looks like with time we're going to start to see those clouds diminish, and we'll probably then go into some mostly clear skies later tonight. So let's take a look. First of all, I want to show you what it looks like in the tropics. We've been talking about this all week. We've been watching this area down here. One system there, and I believe what we're going to see is the system off to the east is probably going to stay away from the United States, probably curve off to the west. This one we'll have to watch. It's probably going to be the bigger of the two systems, but this is actually now a tropical depression. It looks like it's going to move up over the Yucatan and probably form into a tropical storm. Now remember, we're in the Greek alphabet, so it's going to be Gamma, and then kind of veer down to the south. So again, no big threat to the U.S., but we'll watch that second one because I think it could be a bigger system with time. And look at this, from summer last year to fall this year. October 2nd last year was 92. Today we hit 61. It was 31 degrees cooler today than it was this time yesterday. So a big cool push has moved into the valley. There's that high of 61. We dropped to 38 this morning. That's just 6 degrees away from the record low for this day. There's been no rain today across the area. And of course, we're still dry just 2 days in here at the TV station. This is what we've got with sunrise, sunset tomorrow. The amount of daylight. And the river stage in Terre Haute, 3.5 feet, and it is currently stationary. Right now at the airport in Terre Haute, we're at 61. Winds are northwest at 5. Pressure's up some with high pressure now basically controlling our weather. Temperatures are near the 60-degree mark right now, but we'll be cooling off. We've got dry air in place. You can see on the water vapor satellite. This is our next system up across the high plains. That's going to drop down into this area as we get into tomorrow night and Sunday. I don't think it's a big deal, but a little bit of rain may come out of this as we get closer to tomorrow night and into the day on Saturday. Tonight, though, there's nothing going on. We're looking at basically some cloud cover. These clouds will diminish as the evening wears on, and then we'll be looking at fair skies later on tonight. So what does it look like when you take a look at the radar? Well, we're not talking about anything in this area as far as anything going on. Everything looks pretty good out there on the Dorset Automotive Doppler radar. Nothing showing up, all clear across the region. So FUTURECAST shows those clouds clearing out some tonight. Tomorrow, kind of a mix of clouds and sunshine. We'll call it partly sunny. Eventually, watch what happens by Saturday night and Sunday. We do start to see some rain. I don't think this is a whole lot, but at least a little bit of rain as we get into part of Sunday, and then it should exit the area by later in the afternoon and the evening with drier weather moving in behind that. So here's the forecast then as we take into tonight. 41. It'll still be a cool night tonight. During the day tomorrow, skies will become cloudy, a little bit warmer, highs in the mid-60s. And then after that, tomorrow night, Sunday, it looks like a chance of a few scattered light rain showers. Nothing big, though. Temperatures are going to be dropping as we get into the evening hours. But then as we head into the extended forecast, warmer weather will be moving in. Don't go away. Sports coming up right after the break.